Okay, let's get started. Why aren't we only MGR titles? Oh, you want me to admit that the wagon is actually called Barry and that I should take back what I said? Ha, keep dreaming, mate. Hello and welcome to episode 2 of Operation MGR. We are halfway through the series. Wow, doesn't time fly by when you're playing with rusty wagons? Unfortunately, James W couldn't make it today, but luckily Ben came to have his first day on the project. You may notice the lack of restoration time lapse on this episode. That is because I filmed one on my phone, but then it decided to annoy me and corrupt the footage. Oh, I really do love iPhones. Now please bear with me while I try not to throw my phone out the window. Today's task was completing the work we began last week. We started by using a metal wiring brush, a scraper and some emery cloth to clean away old rust on paint on the frames. Whilst the young volunteers were doing that, Dave was hard at work cleaning the hopper and you can really see the difference. This is the before shot and this is the after. Ben was hard at work cleaning away the old coal deposits, which was oddly satisfying. Please cue the oddly satisfying music. Thank you for watching, subscribe for more, and that's it from the team this week. Before we go, here's some footage courtesy of the locomotion of 368459 being shunted.